Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Khairul Anwar. My official number is A1M270-084. So today I will present a qualitative journal about teaching English speaking skill to the Arab student in the Saudi school in Kuala Lumpur, problem and solution by Bandar Muhammad Said Al Asobi. Why I interested in this journal? I personally like this journal because since this journal talk about problem and solution in teaching EFL, I think it can be a good reference for me as a prospective teacher. In this presentation, I will explain the introduction of this research, several theory that becomes the basic of this research, methodology, how this research was done, the result of this research, and finally a conclusion, introduction and background. English has become an international language. That is why English becomes special attention in many nations, including Saudi Arabia. Arab itself has included English as one of main subject taught in school started from 14 12th grade. However, EFL has always been a challenge task for teacher. Teacher may face main difficulties, especially for Arab students who learn English as foreign language. Research question. The first is, what are the problem and difficulties faced by teacher and student in SSKL? And the second is, what solution can be suggested that will enhance the quality of teaching and learning of speaking English in the SSKL? Objective. That is why this study aims to find difficulties faced by student and teacher in Saudi School of Kuala Lumpur and overall several solutions to overcome it.
The first is investigate the major problems teaching and learning speaking skill in the Saudi school in Kuala Lumpur.
And the second is suggest some solution and strategies that will enhance the quality of teaching and learning of speaking English in the SSKL. Significance of the study for teacher and for student. For teacher, this study could be a good reference in improving their teacher method. Student, this study could be a good reference in improving academic system. Chapter 2, Literature Review. This study is based on several theories about teaching English as foreign language, especially about speaking skill. According to Edge, speaking skill are considerably most important skill in English. Students of Arab and any other nation are always expected to be good language speaker by the organ of communication needs. And the second is Nunan. Emphasize that whether the language learning success or not, determined by the capability of student to do conversation in the target of language. Chapter 3, Methodology. Design of the study. This study use qualitative method where the study is more likely to be descriptive and depends on the analysis research of the researcher subject. This study was conducted in Saudi school, a secondary school in Kuala Lumpur. Subject of the study involves both teacher and student. For teacher from age 30 to 60 and for student were taken as research sample. Instrument and data analysis. Interview. Researcher conducted interview with several questions about the implementation of EFL learning in the school. The interview process was recorded by audio tape. During the interview, the research subject used Arabic language. Besides analyzing interview result, researcher also analyzes non-verbal expression like gesture, voice, hand movement, and etc. Class observation. Researcher also conducted classroom observation to get a description about the atmosphere of learning process. Researcher used checklists adapted from Schiffman Harold second language observation. Chapter 4, Finding Result. The curriculum applied by the school. There were no listening and speaking tests. The curriculum were focused on reading, writing, vocabulary, and grammar learning. Teaching method is not communicative. Study also found that the classes are more likely not communicative. The classes were using their center method. This had been a bad problem since student has less time and chance to participate in the learning orally. Lack of necessary facility. The school didn't provide teacher and student with necessary facility like CD of listening and speaking. This had been a problem since students needed to learn pronunciation directly from native speaker. Next to problem faced by student, lack of linguistic knowledge. Many students have lack of knowledge to begin speaking, like sentence structure, vocabulary, pronunciation. This is problem complicate the process of learning speaking skill. Lack of motivation and confidence. Lack of linguistic components also affect to the motivation of student. Many students feel shy and embarrassed when they start to speak a mispronunciation and get mocked by another student. Excessive use of Arab language. Most of the students are students who use Arab language. That is why there were an excessive use of Arab language. Proposed solution to the speaking problems. The first is improve academic system. SSKL side, the school should provide teacher with necessary material and learning tools such as a software, audio tapes, CD, and every facility that emphasize in learning speaking skill. Improve teaching method. Teachers should make a class more student-centered, like giving oral text, encourage and motivate students to learn speaking, to raise their awareness of the significance of speaking skill in the future. Last is develop interest and motivation. Then, for student, first, student can be develop their initiative to bravely speak English in front of class. So the conclusion of this presentation is to overcome this problem, SSKL should work together with teacher to improve the academic system, and students must develop their motivation and interest towards speaking skill learning. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.